Asibingelele Mzingeli, khamba kanjani mfowethu?
Ngiyaphila kunjani mfethu?
Kumnandi mfo. I-weekend idlulile mfowethu, semi-finals. We are looking forward to ama-semi-finals. What's your take? Kumamelodi Sundowns idlalile izolo. Uyibona kanjani igame?
Mina we played well as i-Sundowns, but into esibethayo ukuthi i-set pieces, I think ucoach uyibonile lo nto noba namhlanje mhleli phansi bangalayisa i-video la game ya-today ne.
Yes.
I think they need to stand up when it comes to set pieces, and it's the first time Sundowns ibhidakala abahlobo kwi-set pieces after i-game asidlale neMagesi finally. Is it Telkom or Black Label? I'm not sure. They look up.
Yeah.
We were doing exactly what they did yesterday, but overall performance, I was so impressed with our new signings. Bangithetha ngabonga bo Van Wyk, Mailula, yeah, they came in. They gel in with Sundowns. Most part this boy from Cape Town, Van Wyk. I think that guy will beat a lot of teams in PSL if he can keep his head up.
I definitely agree with you. The new signings came to the party yesterday. Van Wyk was good. I used to doubt him as a Cape Town pressure. I was having that feeling of what if he comes to Joburg and fail. You know what happened to our players as a Cape Town. But now I do have a belief Uti Van Wyk is matured. He's gonna take sometimes to greater heights. Nkuluma Betway also Champions League. I think he's the best acquisition from Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, that's true, sir. And plus, I think I don't understand the. Let me if I can talk about if you can give me a chance to talk about the Kenya Pirates in Durban City.
It's open. It's for you, my brother. I'm with you. We are with you here.
I watched that game here, Pirates in Durban City. Pirates is still a player like Urile. Number 10 Pirates I know. If they can come in, but number 10 and is about cost and I understand even go coach wabo. That guy, I think unazo mistakes and because how can you change a copy player if I then you put on a youngster who became a crucial role? Because remember, although they were an advantage on 21, but that team was coming to on the Pirates. This is they end up getting a goal last minute. You understand what? You can't in coaching changes yesterday.
Yeah, I'm with you. Point. Paris is not looking good, and they are even worse than last season when they started. You remember the first two games that they lost? I think they played better than the two games that they played and win this season. And your point, Mfukeng, I think they won't replace Mfukeng this season. That's my belief. Simply because I thought Apolis was gonna come to the party. Maybe someone would say it's too early, but if we look at the game Saturday, when they're going forward, it looks like they don't know what to do in terms of scoring goals and being creative. Yes, Tito was trying as well, but they look very, very, very. In my point, I don't see them scoring a lot of goals if that's how they're going to approach. Maybe the new striker, but also with a little bit of supply. Because I was watching Kaizer Chiefs today, Mbugalomfana Vilagaz, he was giving balls to frontline Kaizer Chiefs, of which they didn't take the chances. But with Pirates, I didn't see those chances. So your points are correct.
You know why Pirates was playing like that?
I don't know.
I think now, in my opinion, this is my opinion.
Please.
There is this guy, Umbatha is too relaxed. Let me flip the Pirates. But he did nothing yesterday. And he was the guy who Fanba show up in the party. But he was doing nothing on that game. And my fear is this game. If Umbatha will keep on playing like that, Agus Bamnandi, it won't be nice for Pirates. Unless this guy Undule can come back like Injaranayo as a long season to play midfield. Because Nyanke, even midfield Pirates was but they were just walking in the park.
I agree with you, Mtlegas. Because I'm also an Orlando Pirates supporter, but I'll be true. I'll be honest to say that midfield of Orlando Pirates, if they can go against Mamelodi Sundowns, the midfield that they've been playing in the last two games, it will be a walk in the park for Mamelodi Sundowns. Simply because now, Pirates is always measuring itself to Mamelodi Sundowns. So we've been below Mamelodi Sundowns in terms of solid midfielders in the league. But now with Abo Dancing, I don't believe we can match Mamelodi Sundowns. I was even happy to see i-Orlando Pirates avoiding Mamelodi Sundowns ku-semi-final because it would be a shame. It would be a shame. Pirates is not good at all.
But both teams, when I'm in here, kule first game, yeah. I mean, both games, the Pirates, they were shaky. Although the Pirates won both of these games, but they were shaky. Even the Sundowns, I'm a Sundowns supporter, but kule game defense set was shaky. I think coach uzayilungisa. Mna ndinengxaki Johannes uba nazo ezo
mistakes.
Hot and cold. I'll put it like that, because can come to the party, but cannot come to the party, because I blame him. No, the defense set defend it one like again. Ugranti they are not combining with Tunansika, with Johannes. Dibukele last season they are not combining. The only guy can combine well with Ukekane and Ulomfolo or Cupido. Not that boy is good.
Yeah, Cupido is good. Yeah.
He's very good. But when I'm in Orlando, you put on youngsters every now and then. You youngsters who focus on being the game. He's like constant. Look at now, Kaizer Chiefs. The only person to the Chiefs. That boy, one thing I hate they took that Kaizer Chiefs. That's not right. That boy is still young. That guy is still learning. You can't put Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is a big brand, man. I don't want to lie to you. Chiefs one of the biggest brand in Africa, but you can't take that brand as it is. Kaizer Chiefs brand. Never.
Yeah, that's definitely true, my brother. I agree with you. It's Vilagaz. It's unfortunate because it's been compared to other players like Abom Fukeng and other youngsters from Mamelodi Sundowns, of which at least it was a pleasure, but that was better. But to take the team, as you are saying, like a big brand like Kaizer Chiefs, no, it's unfair and it's killing him. If you look at even at the stadium, like everything is on him. He will make the difference, of which he's still young. Actually, unfortunately, senior players at Kaizer Chiefs, who is the senior player at Kaizer Chiefs? Is it Kwinika?
Yeah, the one who coming from Sundowns is a senior player. That guy.
Yeah, that one is a solid. That one is a solid player. That one. I think for me, I think Kaizer Chiefs, Mapowe is the only player that I definitely believe would deserve to play for Chiefs. And then I won't mention the youngsters because the youngsters are still proving themselves. But with the new acquisition, maybe we might see a difference. But the older players, some of the players at Chiefs are not convincing enough for me to change the situation of Chiefs. That's my take on Kaizer Chiefs. I've been looking at them for the past maybe 4 years. Even when they won that cup, still they are not a team of quality.
I think the problem with Chiefs here, the end I think under coach Athazwane, if I'm not mistaken, they did exactly what they do. Vilakazi was a pillar of Kaizer Chiefs, and that was wrong. That was totally wrong. That boy, we need to groom him. Like look at we Sundowns. Sundowns, they've got to Debza, they've got to Allen, the midfield, and now they are helping those youngsters like Abo Lisaku, Abo Mailula, but they are gelling well under the leadership of these old guys. So I think if he can help, he can try. Try now. Maybe things, one or two things can Chiefs. Was the paper in the paper. Then I want to arrows with Kaizer Chiefs today. Never, bro.
For me, yeah, you might say that. I was watching Kaizer Chiefs because I stay here in Bombay. I was watching Kaizer Chiefs that played against the Kruger United. They were highly motivated, like playing for the team. I think even signs of they're gonna maybe challenge for cups this season or make it a better campaign this season. But going against the Arrows, I was skeptical because Nabo Badala and Bobella. But I was having that feeling of good. What if they get a well-organized team? Because watching them against the Kruger was not that organized. I think what you've seen today, Golden Arrows was so organized. That's how they won the game. Even the chance that they took, even if they didn't take it, it was going to go to extra time and even penalties because they were so organized defensively.
That's true, man. But I don't understand what's going on because the Chiefs is not a team to build. awubuild ku-Chiefs. No, we don't build Kaizer Chiefs. Chiefs is a brand efuna when you go there, you win something, not to you are building or you are cooking something. Not with Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, iqiniso lelo. My brother, before ngikudedele, i-draw iphumile. Are you happy with the Golden Arrows? What's your take? You draw the Golden Arrows. You're gonna play at home and then away on the second leg. What's your take? Are you happy or you wanted someone else?
No, my brother. What I can say to you, one game at a time. Any game, like night team.
Yeah.
We're gonna take on the Golden Arrows, and we're gonna play. Nabo, sijonga game yabo sidlale nabo senze yonke into. We win, we lose, or we do whatever, and we draw. But I will take one game at a time.
Yeah, one game at a time. On Tuesday, we'll be welcoming you guys live Mbombela Stadium. Sizobe sikhona sinibukela ke TS Galaxy. I-team enhluphayo ke le.
No. TS Galaxy. Let me tell you one thing about them. They will suffer the consequences.
This time.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, yeah.
They beat us and they accept that loss. But they must come now. They will come now with bang. They will face one or two things this coming season.
Yeah, I definitely believe Uti Sundowns really will wanna pay revenge. I think home and away for TS Galaxy. I know TS Galaxy will also try their best, but St. Valelisa, last season, that match of TS Galaxy against Mamelodi Sundowns, the one at Mbombela, not the one that they knocked you out at Solomon Mahlangu. That was my best match of between Premiership last season. That match was the hunger from both teams for them to win. And that match was, and it was emotional, of which even Orlando Pirates supporters were filled there to watch the game, and the mood on that match, it was electrifying, brother.
Yeah, I game was one of the best games in Namibia because TS Galaxy look like game Mbombela in a mandate to win a match, and they did that. Now we went there to Mbombela to win that game, but unfortunately, Paula and not therefore they beat us, and I will accept it and we move on. But this is not now. We want to fight. But we fought last season when because if you can remember, we play about a game every week. We play games in every.
Yeah.
I'm not crying about that, but at least we play a game Tina more than any team to PSL, and some boys Pakistan are exhausted because remember like last season, Sanga pre-season, they came back from Club World Cup.
Yes.
Boom. We Premiership. But I'm not. Let me not be a crybaby. Yes, better TS Galaxy clean as clean.
Yeah, true. No, I do believe ukuthi pre-season ibe khona for Mamelodi Sundowns this starting of the season, and I do believe ukuthi slowly they will gel as they always, because remember Mamelodi Sundowns they normally start not badly. And then but they manage a result of which about September, that's where anything that comes along Mamelodi Sundowns, September, October, November, that's where we ask which they are collecting points up until January, where they now start to concentrate with Champions League, and then they just come back to South Africa and collect those points and then trying to stay up there. But we definitely believe this season we're gonna see Mamelodi Sundowns maybe going back to winning the league, I believe, and maybe also trying to defend their star. I also believe. But on my last point is that I think Mamelodi Sundowns, it can be good for them to win a cup this season.
Yeah, that's true, sir. But no, I want to ask something from you guys, from Buccaneers. Guys, please. Why I could serious the Champions League? Because it's not the Paris I know used to be serious when it comes to the Champions League and stuff. But now it seems to me that your team is not serious about that cup anymore. Because they sometimes because premier rounds they coach the cup in. Guys, man, I think now I'm begging you, Buccaneers, please pull up your socks, guys. We need you in Africa. We need you to be there, not to just represent it and go out. Just go there and win something. Or let's go as far as the quarterfinals, please, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, true, my brother. I wanna to tell the truth about Orlando Pirates of the last few seasons in terms of the Champions League. I'll honestly say, Uguti, Pirates have tried to assemble the team that can compete with Champions League, but we've been failing. We've been failing. I wanna see shower ama team ako Botswana. I remember being beaten by a team like Botswana. Yes. It was not a matter of maybe luck. We failed. We failed to convert chances. Even in the experience, I would say besingesikhathi eside singasadlali ku-Champions League, but noma sikwazi ukuqhubeka siye phambili. But other than that, we've been trying. I think maybe this season with the acquisition of many players, even in terms of his squad depth, I do believe this season they're gonna prioritize it. I have that feeling because what I sense is that I don't see us defending the league this season with this start, but maybe the focus will be on Champions League because also there's this thing, big teams are not on Champions League, which means we are faced with Santos and a few of those teams, but the bigger teams are not there. Al Ahly and stuff. So I think they have this belief which they're gonna try. But I get your point, my brother. We need to go together with Mamelodi Sundowns and try to challenge the Champions League. Simply because now Champions League, I see then so I win namhlanje, meaning this season. But it's something that you must keep on looking like Mamelodi Sundowns has been doing. They've been consistent in terms of semi-finals, quarterfinals, semi-finals, and then finals. And then they lost on the final, and then they finally clinched the second star. And we are proud about Mamelodi Sundowns. We are very, very proud about that.
And to add on what I say, if you can check those North African teams, they know nothing about football. The only thing they were doing there, they were bullying us up until that thing of Babas police as because if you can see, even if we play Egypt, we don't care about their supporters. We don't care about what they are doing in the intimidation, those intimidation things, tactics in the game. We just go forward to them, and sometimes we nearly beat Al Alghawai. I think we played 1-1 for Cormoran.
Yeah,
nearly beat them. So there's no ball, there's no football in North Africa. Just that they are intimidating us or bullying us when we're there. And I think sometimes say absorb your own lento. Sometimes my teams North Africa. We as one hi. What is it?
Yeah, true. True. I'll definitely agree with you, Mshegas. And also, I think even the scouts of Mamelodi Sundowns in terms of profiling team players to play Champions League, Sundowns has been doing well in that department. We can't take away that because Sundowns has. Let me talk about their strikers. Guno Motiba, of which is not even the first. Men Lapana, then Guno Reynas, and then Guno Leon Manch. Those are two prolific strikers. Kumango Reynas, no Leon. And then there are other strikers that support. There was also Shalulin, of which Orlando Pirates. Let's say Orlando Pirates beat Abo Shwaning, and then they crowd to about group stages. Like our striking force has not been to the quality that can challenge one of North African teams in terms of physique, being clever and smart. Also, you cannot take away the experience. Yeah, so even in Squatter Sundowns, they're playing like a lot of competition that are tough. Champions League, Club World Cup, all those things they've been shaping Mamelodi Sundowns. So it's not luck, or if one may put it in that way, that they find themselves where they are. I think also we must now look because if you look at Orlando Pirates, a player from Polokwane City is hot and then is taken to Orlando Pirates. But when you look at Sundowns, how they profile players, you see Uti, they know when they buy this player, he will maybe play with that certain player in that position. So I think Paris needs to learn from Mamelodi Sundowns in that man.
I think I'm now in Pagania. You made a big mistake, but by releasing Mabas. You can't tell me Umbutu for better Mabas. You can't tell me that. You can't say Nyan, brah. Let us be honest, here.
Yeah,
you can't say Ubuntu better than Mabas. Never.
Never.
Yeah,
that's true, my brother.
Now I saw a big meeting. That's why Sundowns let go of Shalwe and keep Umutiba. Why?
Umutiba, yeah.
That's why. You know why?
I don't know why.
Listen, okay, so let me tell you. You say Umutiba, I will say, I'm sorry to say this. People are saying Nyam Diambon, but it means a hot man can I Umutiba because Umutiba is not a ball player.
Yeah.
Just like Shaolin. The only thing Umutiba, if Sundowns is playing or need a goal, they will put on Umutiba gaming just to go there and pull those defenders, because most of the games is when like Umutiba is there to umzekelo u4 and 5 umaphapha kwabo Umutiba, and ngoku abakwazi usukuma baye phambili. Look at the game we played against Orlando Pirates kula 2-1 besinidla khona ko Leon Kamikolo Z2.
Yeah.
What the coach did, uyawafaka Umutiba instead of Shaluli. Why? Because Shaluli uyathanda uyothatha ibhola esiswini. Umutiba will stick on number 9 and that old style. So afumanise kuba usebisi with any defender le yenu abakwazi uya nosema kwenza uma phezulu ko center, because this bully here engumutiba beyafike beyigadile. I think that's the reason why iSundowns yamkhipha nakulesizini umutiba imkhiphe le rondo leyo. And it's not a goal poacher just like Leon kwenye level when it comes to ama goal. If you can check that sakhe 15 games, almost 20 goals. That's way big thing ayenzile efika kuyiSundowns.
Yeah, true. The way you analyzing indaba kaMotiba, it's correct mfowethu, ngoba vele unokubona, sometimes if they are struggling, you'll see them to find a goal, you'll see them putting Motiba, and people doesn't understand those kind of tactics. They will even say, why this guy is just a pole there, but the way you are putting it, and sometimes we'll find Loma pockets when the defender they are on Motiba's case, and then who's this guy with blonde? I love that player, man, from Mamelodi Sundowns. Allende, he will come and score. Yeah, that guy is the best midfielder after Mokoena is for me in South Africa. That guy is good, man. It's good. It's unfortunate that this thing of midfielder of the season has been unlucky, but I think that guy is the best midfielder. Maybe for my liking, because that's the position from way back. I've been in a team. I look to that position. So I definitely believe he's
this boy Allende, when he touches the ball, it's like ile ball ibanjwa abantu abathathu, 3 guys. It's like he passes abantu abathathu at the same time. Yeah. Then kube khona ngokulo, who's this guy? Nuno Santos. Oh, that guy naye umnandi.
Accurately. Hey, that guy, man. Yeah.
I got a pride. I think by listening to Umabasa Paris, yenze blunder. Serious, guys.
I think it was politics, because even a child can see, how can you take away a player like Mabasa, who's almost he was gonna even overtake legendary Villarreal in terms of goals. But I think some politics and some things that we don't know, maybe they act upon those things. It's the same as, I'm not trying to move away from this thing. There's something that is paining me at the moment in terms of local football. I love Monapole Saleng. Even though he left us, he had my blessing to go to Mamelodi Sundowns and play. But to hear such stories that even at Sundowns there are problems, in fact, it's unfortunate, because there are players that even if they leave you, no, this player delivered for me. And if he's leaving for greener pastures to our maybe bitter rivals, maybe it's okay, because now in our corner you go for better things, for better offers and stuff. But as for Monapole, I'm not happy. I'm really not happy. And by the way things are going, it might be the end of his career if things continue like this. I don't know what's your take on Saleng's situation.
One thing I can tell you is that we don't have any more about Gordon Ehasin, about Ted Domir, the coaches that will play and say blanda. I saw the kuye agqumelo lonto yayibiyenzele wrong. Coaches they're coming outside of South Africa or even in Africa. They don't tolerate playing in discipline. I think if I change the he will end up like about the leader Chabango, about Sikonunens. I'm telling you.
Yeah, my brother, it's painful. It's painful. Monapole Saleng is very, very talented. Even at Orlando Pirates, you can see his position is up there, still available. But isn't those Ashinja then? Because if he was failing in Sundowns, or they could see they no longer need him. If I was the owner of Orlando Pirates, I was going to take him back, because he still needed it on the Pirates. I was it Mbovela or the Great Sundowns? I will never forget that match. That was the match that made me to say, No, Saling, if he wants to go to Sundown, let him go. Because when he was with Orlando Pirates, he delivered where we were with our eyes closed just to say, how are we gonna so Sundowns? But I remember Saling as keeper, it's the same with him Fuking. So those type of players, because it's a fact with our rivals in Mamelodi Sundowns, a team where even when we win, we are not sure how we won. So for you, man, it's bad, man, for you.
I want to ask you something, Claire.
Yeah.
There's this boy from Mamelodi Sundowns. They call it Bennett Mokoena. How do you feel about that boy?
He's playing up front.
Yeah, up front. He played yesterday. That small boy.
Yeah. No, he's good. He's a good player. He's a good player, even though nginalento phela ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns younger players sometimes they don't get that chance because there is equality. If you remember, those were all good players for my liking, but maybe they didn't manage to crack into even Aboma Pena, players like that. But I think he's good. Maybe if Coach Cardoso can believe in him, I think he'll be one of the future of Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, that's true. That boy, and I like that boy. He played well. But I think Coach Wenseka is all going to keep it. I'm pumped.
Yeah.
Because ngibona ebesefundela inhliziyo wathi all he need is thinking about scoring goal yesterday, but he played well. Then now umasho imali yemboleko ibuyile. Cassius Malula.
Hey, that's a headache, my brother, for other parents. Hey, he's back, and it showed yesterday. You could see, well, and my brother, I definitely believe sometimes when they find their rhythm, they will bless some teams this season. I think their squad is good to take the season. I definitely believe they are going back to where they belong, which is top of the table. But for me, let them win the cup this season, please. You guys must win a cup, whether it's MTN, especially MTN and what was, because on MTN I've seen you guys have 4 MTNs. I think you need to pick up on that one, and then maybe NetBank. I think to close the season in a good note.
Yeah, me too. Me the hal de bawel and inansisi qabla kudala this cup ikujana MTN 8. I think you need to work on the I don't know Minier uKardoso what ucingani engqondweni yakhe mayidlala i-cup games. Uyabona ngiyasola man i-cup game uyidlala nje. Or else let me talk about last season.
Yeah.
Last season, I think goalie Sundowns was to win the Champions League. I think he managed to win the Champions League. And that's why some games they have gone. But look, coach, and let me be honest with you. At some point, and it handed coach Miami. But I think game management, in game management, we don't care about any cup, but bring us the Champions League. And if we win, I'm telling you,
True. Yeah, in terms of Cardoso, I'm with you. I remember Coach Rulan, when Coach Rulani left the Mamelodi Sundowns, they were finally they were assigned to win a CAF Champions League, and it didn't live up to the expectation. So coming to Coach Cardoso, it was clear that when he executive Mamelodi Sundowns, it was all about the Champions League. So these small caps, what we call them, I think Lapo, they didn't take him away about TS Galaxy in cup games simply because even maybe from the contract it was understood that the main points is Champions League and maybe try to retain Betway Premiership, of which even to Mamelodi Sundowns fans, people like you've been winning Betway Premiership for some time, of which even losing it last year, I know the way how you lost it was too close. So there was this thing with Ishlendi is long, but it was not something that you were so fascinated to win. So of which I would say also we point the Lama Cup games. What I've noticed Kaizer Chiefs Golden Arrows, they are going for those cups because they know you play 4 games, you manage to win those 4 games, maybe 5 games if it's your NetBank, if I'm not mistaken, you can get like something like 8 million, which is huge money to them. And as for Sundowns, that money maybe is for the club to run monthly, you know. So that's how I see what Sundowns has been looking at this league, going to these small teams, Baba knock it out, because they've been knocked by Amatima Mangan at some point. I remember the pain in my case, if I remember right. So I think they need to come back and show South Africa what they can dominate everything in terms of the Betway Premiership.
Okay, let me ask you something, sir. There is this case in Haloba, Ngazi kahle ngayo, Kaizer Chiefs. They release ucele, they retain the one who is wearing number 8. Ndlovu.
Yes.
In your opinion, sir, who is better on these two guys? Please, I want, before you listen to me, before ungiphendula Mhlekazi, ngicela ube honest, please be honest with me.
Yeah. But my brother, ungifaka inkinga uma uthi angibe honest, because I was gonna be straight honest. Manje you made me think why are you asking such a specific question. But let me be honest with how I feel looking at these players. I don't think Ndlovu was supposed to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. Same as what happened Marco, in my belief. I knew Uguti Umonyana had the potential, but I didn't think Uguti. I know Marco Begumtanda foot, but I never thought Uguti, as old as he was or aging as he was going to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. So as for Ndlovu, I don't think Uguti he was supposed to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. And for Utlele, he's a good player. I think him and Maboe at Kaizer Chiefs neatly fit. Those are the two players that I can rate to say they are good players, and the rest, for me, they are below them. Kumangabo Ox and stuff. So to answer your question, Tele is a better footballer than Ndlovu. Ndlovu has been promising for years, man. Because even Ndlovu has been getting even game time to teams that he played. But I would say Tim Khulise is far better than Ndlovu, even though Khulise is not playing regular sometimes. That's my take.
Thank you very much, sir. I like the way on Pune Akone, be honest, Nyan. I like that. Because for me, man, Ndlovu never did well even with Pirates. He was not there, Ndlovu, at the time with Pirates. Even today, Ndlovu didn't give anything to Kaizer Chiefs in that game. Kind of things kukhaba abantu, khaya bakhaba abantu, yakwazi ukhaba umuntu. Ayakhahlela kuyindoda.
Of which that's anti-football. Ngimbukile even Lala Mbombela when he was playing against the Kruger United. He was nowhere to be found. Uzombona manje lokunja ekhahlela umuntu ukuthi oh he's here.
Yeah,
and what I didn't like the abamshintsha yona abo Cedric Katse uNdlovu, because they could see ukuthi okay, he has nothing to offer with Chiefs in terms of making the team to win or to be dangerous, but they just made him danger. The way, if you saw how he was kicking Chiefs, Sundowns and Pirates players, that was bad, man. That was bad, and it gave me this element of how this player, I used to like him. Esebu Belanoma Sulu, no Makaringe, who is Lapa Marisbeck, and then he came to Pirates. It didn't live up to expectations. He went away. I was happy for him, but what he did, and in fact, Sundowns was on the verge of clinching Champions League. So when you come and you kick their players, it was not a good scene. So after that, I had to have this thing. I don't even like to see him anymore playing. For me, he was never a player was supposed to be signed for Chiefs, but they made that mistake, and it's showing them.
Yeah, man. I think Ndlovu na man. Ndlovu asimasimiyaka esimiyeke uNdlovu mntakababa maka-analyze u-Ox. Now we have two Oxes now. Let me put like this. We have two Oxes. We've got Ox to Stelis, Ox to Kaizer Chiefs. And they're two different players.
Definitely two different players.
Ox with Stelis was playing direct football, forward football. Ox to Kaizer Chiefs is playing it sideways, back pass, sideways, back pass. I don't know. Is it a tactics coach or what? Hi, but the Ox now okay the Chiefs. I never bang mass. Some phone I don't like this.
Asibukela indaba Ox. Even at work, sometimes I come across a lot of Kaizer Chiefs people, friends, who will criticize Ox and running in a lap. let's look back, because it's nice that you are comparing Ox where Stelis no Ox Kaizer Chiefs. First thing to notice, I think Ox Stelis actually call up Bafana Bafana. If you remember back, that Ox of Stelis, and then Ox where Chiefs. Bafana Bafana busubona ukuthi vele akasasondeli nokusondela. I think lento mawuthi ayibuka Ox wayedlala ku-Stelis, he was in Cape Town, away from Zulu Nation, if I may put it. Then the Ox of Kaizer Chiefs usemahostela manje laphana ko-Naturena, I think ko-Denver, everywhere. I think naleyo environment ukushintsha kwayo yenze u-Ox ngoba even umzimba, if you remember, khona la besengathi ugeyina umzimba. There were rumors were saying ukuthi ulibele inyama le mahostela.
Inyama ehloko la akomayimayi.
So there was that element of stories ukuthi no, maybe ulibele inyama ngempela kaMayimayi, iyasho inyama kaMayimayi. Then coming to Ox manje tactical, the way he's been playing, man, Kaizer Chiefs, I think another thing ileyo ukuthi namhlekazi, if you are playing for Kaizer Chiefs, there's this thing ukuthi you mustn't make mistakes. I think he's not open enough to play the way he was expressing himself Stelis. Because man, I think it's all about not making mistakes. Because even if you can remember, he was losing balls. Actually, ball is a final pass. He is misplacing the ball. So I think maybe for him to save himself, maybe final okay be move. Of which any into bench, he was far away, man. Consider even consider. That is why it's Bonnie played for the map after being a Santos or national team, simply because you could see equality. So for me, Ox, my brother, to answer about Ox, Ox where Kaizer Chiefs is not the Ox is doing high, because I'll be honest with you, I saw few games of Ox where Stellenbosch, simply because we have to Stellenbosch, Besbabuga, Mabel, and Sundowns. You'll see them. We know which those are highly contested games. But to Buga Jim Tampe Ox cool league Stellenbosch. Other than Umbuga Chiefs, where he was playing, like we were watching him playing all the games. That's my take with Ox. But Ox are fighting about offload till and I. It doesn't deserve to play for a team of Kaizer Chiefs stature caliber.
That's true, man. Utheqiniso mntakababa. Kube nalo mfongo kuze this guy, this defender Kaizer Chiefs though. Kubani umigwela mfana?
Yeah, Miguel, yeah.
Umigwela, he is not for me, he's not Kaizer Chiefs material. I think that uyena last season xa edlala kahle uncedile intwana uAiden McCarthy. Now McCarthy is gone. Umqolo phandle ngesixhosa. Angazi nithini ngesizulu ngemntaba.
Injalo.
Umqolo phandle. No, guy is not good kwinto yonke. Umugwela is not good even kwi-marking. He's not good kubamba makaphassela umuntu ibhola. Na every game umugwela out of 10 balls aziphasela abantu, i6 yazo ukhaba nje just kick the ball bayisuke apha kuthi.
Yeah, Miguel, my brother, it's true. But talking about Miguel, when he came, I had the belief it looks like Chiefs got a defender here. I was seeing him being those kind of players that you can even give them captain Ampen, the way they were motivating the team, you see. But reality came to life when games and remember the inconsistency in terms of partnership lapha ku Chiefs bebeshintsha khona lapha badlala khona uQuinica up until kwabonakala Quinnica was being labeled as a bad defender, if you remember. But then zihambe izinto zashintsha wese kufika ke nabo Aiden McCarthy. I think kwaba stability, especially for last season. Then they lost to Aiden McCarthy. They are now back to square one ke zakho lokhu. Back in the days, they were right to sign that player, Miguel, because it was bad, Kaizer Chiefs defense. But for now, I don't believe. I think Chiefs need to sign like proper defenders. Because even, they have, they have Umonyana, I think they have Frosler, of which, they are good players, but they don't have competition for me, those players. And then we go central. They have Quinnica, which is better now. Central defenders, Kaizer Chiefs, but they don't have other people that they can come and make that team better. Msimangu uhambile futhi. Was it Msimangu?
Yeah, Msimangu uhambile.
Msimangu left. So now you see, because if you want to be the best, you must look at kusesikoleni kuphela mhlekazi la kwakuthiwa khona ungakopeli kumuntu, yabona. Isikole kuphela la kuthi ungakopeli khona kumuntu. But in life mfowethu, manje ubona ukuthi wenza kahle. Noma bekuthiwa you are my rival, I need to copy what you are doing, because I can't beat you without copying, doing what you do, match you, and then try to overtake you in that standard. So if ubuka defense Sundowns over the years, they've been recruiting. Sundowns once gave us a player who played maybe not more than 3 seasons. It was Ali Shoot. That guy came to Sundowns. I don't know how they got that guy, but he came to Sundowns and nailed his role, and then he vanished. So teams need to understand what other teams are doing for them to succeed.
I think if I can talk about Sundowns,
yeah.
Whoever is doing a scouting job with Sundowns, that guy ifuna simshayeni izandla from umuntu loyo. Uyayazi into inside. Even if you go out of Africa, let you, he came to Sundowns and stabilize our defense, and he moved on.
Yes.
That guy went to Brazil and came up with that guy. Who's that guy who was defending for Sundowns from Brazil?
Yeah, Nascimento.
Nascimento. He came back, he came to us, it's part of Nascimento. Nascimento did well. Naye wahamba. Aseka ngalapho. Sayothatha who's this guy? Umthobi Mvala as a midfielder.
Yes.
Some convert him to be a central defense, or it was like a finish like hand glove, straight glove. I think whoever who's scouting for Sundowns is doing a good job. Yes, Johannes is una games hot and cold. But we went to Cape Town and came up with Kipido. Kipido, for me, I think I was not make sure up until that guy point.
Same with me. I was surprised. By
that guy
after Sundowns becoming the player that he became, especially in Champions League, I was surprised. That's where you see Uti. Sometimes you can talk as a friend, but you are not a coach and you are not a scout. So we must talk because such surprises, they made me to understand, no, I need to the line ball. Sometimes I must.
I once said when you play to Sundowns, can someone on Polisa Kupi doesn't think at Polisa. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean what I said.
Yeah, it happens. That means I didn't see, especially because there was Aboke Khan. I was like, what is this guy coming to do here? But it's the same with Orlando Pirates youngsters. We've been proven wrong many times. That's why I now rescued my case to say, if they bring someone, let me rather wait and see. It's the same way now Moscow to Sundowns, because especially us rivals, we were criticizing the Sundowns acquisition of players from Elokunje Ngaphandle, referring to what we saw when Dr. Patrice Motsepe was first coming to Sundowns. Yeah. So the time of about George Akuna. George Akuna was better. He was good, but there were other players that didn't live up to expectation. When Sundowns went back now to that route of acquiring about players from America and stuff, we were like, these are other plumbers and stuff, but they've proved us wrong.
Hey, but there was a goalkeeper Sundowns signed from Venezuela. Who's that guy? Dutanel. Yo! Yeah. That was a blunder, but yo! Sancho, we signed Abo Vincento Principiano, Abo Torrepo. Those guys, they came to the party.
Yeah, those are good players. Yeah,
and we came up with if we football, the checker player, first touch player. Our first time the bona this guy Arthur Sales, Sundowns. I was with other guys. He joined.
Oh yeah.
Meetings at Sundowns.
Yeah.
When I saw those guys, I said, man, this guy, this guy is good. Yes, the first few games didn't play well because Babam Dalisa as a forward striker. This guy is a striker. And they played that guy number 10. You see how things changed drastically from that guy?
True. It's just that other players are hyped. They were hyped, but there was a moment where Sales in that number 10 role was the best in South Africa, if not among the best. If you know what I'm saying. There was a season where, I don't know if it's last season or the season before,
Before last season.
Yes, he was good. He was good. Even numbers were saying what he's a good player.
Yes, we signed Resino. Resino was not if Resino, yes, mkhulu uhambile, but he was not a bad player naye. Just that akakwazi establish kwi-style of playing Sundowns. Yeah, he's a good player, but angakwazi ukungena because bamzamile for several games. Yabona uba akalunga boy. Akalunga akalizulunga. Yes, ebengene game lesinikele usifuna because he scored some goals for us and I appreciate that. But angajele encampu Sundowns comparing to his countryman Nuno Santos.
Nuno Santos, yeah. Hey, Nuno Santos is good, man. It's too good. If yabona, especially yabona mawuzombuka, sometimes I like to watch football on TV for certain reasons. But njenga Nuno Santos, man, umnandi kakhulu mawumbuka live where engaliphethe ibhola, you see his movements, how he reacts. Hey, mfethu, that player is good. You go back to search what this player is well developed. The way he understands where he is in the pitch, when to move, the pass. I grew up watching midfielders. I've been a fan of central midfielders, attacking midfielders. So that's what I watch actually in football. The other positions is because now the modern football is here now, but from way back, I'll tell you who was playing at Sundowns in central midfield other than other positions. I'll know which is who was there and even the European teams, because that's the position that I know when the team gets a right person for that position, the team is gonna do well.
Yeah, when it comes to that, now at least I can go back and say, if you watch, there was a guy who played for Sundowns from, I don't know if that guy's from Malawi or where, Chelsea Conde. Whoa.
Yeah, chance. Whoa. Yeah.
Then there was Ernest Ntawali Chirwali back then. Then there was a guy came in again, Roger Futumba to Sundowns from Cameroon.
After that was cream.
And now you go back to Kaizer Chiefs. They were playing this guy Ace Khuse as in midfield, central midfield. Yo, where are those guys? Why couldn't even have Abando 2 or 3? Yes, Utebza can do what those guys were doing there. But now
that belongs to that era. It's true.
But now we still need my players as Fano Eric Tinkler. It's so hard to get them in these days. Why can't we quick development is 30 to modernize to that those players?
Yeah.
But Kuni, Pirates when you're not udlala unduli. Midfield mfana.
Yeah. No, true.
But nango udine problem encane. I think Umbatha uya World Cup udlala World Cup kumenza wacinga he's bigger than Pirates.
Yeah.
And there's no one better than any team in South Africa.
Yeah, injalo. To tell you about Umbatha, when he came from SuperSport to Orlando Pirates, I didn't like Umbatha. Not from SuperSport, but because ngangambuka SuperSport. Uthe masefika ku Orlando Pirates ngibuka imidlalo ayidlalayo, as we are both agreeing ukuthi we watch back then the great midfielders. That's where we were developed in terms of understanding football. So if ngibuka ama midfielder elokhulu eSundowns, which is our rivals, ngangibuka ukuthi Umbatha man, he won't make us conquer uTebza namajita lapha kulokhulu, but into ebeseyenzeka ukuthi every time akufaka Umbatha we managed to get Sundowns, we managed to beat Sundowns, of which benga understand ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Even namanje I don't have answers to say how is Umbatha crucial in terms of those games, because we seems to be winning them. I don't know what happens yabona kuleyo mdlalo, but Umbatha is not a player that I rate highly, and kuhle ngoba ngisho ngoba he's my player and he's been playing ku Pirates, but I don't rate him that highly. I think ukuthi maybe kunaleyo element elakhe, or I don't know, isikhathi phela nekhemi liyasebenza ngoba iSundowns nokidla nathi singaboni sidle kanjani. But in terms of being a stable midfielder where you can say ukuthi ayivele makangekho Umbatha, for me angangabikho noma ngabe uthi uyahamba ku-Orlando Pirates, it was not going to be an issue if bengafaka amanye amalokhulu, amanye ama-players. But ukukhuluma indaba kaMbatha and going to World Cup, I definitely believe ukuthi because kuye kwaba khona nalento yokuthi kuke kwangathi kuba ne-fight kuyena wagcina engasadlali ku-Orlando Pirates. So nginayo leyo nto, but he's not my favorite player. I think there are even better midfielders that can play that position if they can be signed to help Orlando Pirates. Because even Nemchajela, I like Nemchajela, maybe even more than Umbata for me.
Yeah, I think Umbataman, I think he's bigger than Pirates now by look of things. It seems to me don't care, but anyway, Masimi Gumbata. Sihlebe bani manje one place phasi sihlebe manje
yazi khona bethu into ongithintele yona masikhuluma nge-midfield ubalile ukuthi there was uChance Gondwe, a great player from Mamelodi Sundowns. Kwaba khona abo-Ernest Mtawali, kwaba khona I believe abo-Godfrey Sapula, they were there.
Who's this guy from Nigeria for Wedlali Pirate? There was a guy man from Nigeria. Okongo,
yeah, top midfielder.
Yo.
Yeah. Top midfielder.
I'm a football supporter. Yes, I'm a Sundowns. I'm number one fan Sundowns supporter, and I support any team into 18. Now, most the time in Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
When these bookers on game in Stellenbosch, when see a ground again.
Yes.
Every game, even as a Cape Town. I would like Cape Town, so I know the Cape Town space. I accept that.
Yeah.
That's why I say, but most of those small teams when Kwasus Bukela, being I guess Bukela.
Yeah, Okongo was a good midfielder. Very, very good. Especially the time Sekuko had no chance because Chance was playing Bata's position. So can you see the difference?
Yeah.
You can see the difference. Even Mamelodi Sundowns, they've managed to get proper players in that position. That is why even in bad seasons for them, they can manage to win even the league. Because that position is vital with team. As we were saying, General Lapayan, Bennett Mgun, if I remember right, with their position, a good player and I know. Sapula, and then the list goes on up until we figure even Hlompo, he was a top player. Hlompo, I respect that guy.
I'll call him maybe actually what Debs is doing now. It's similar to what Hlompo was doing for his Sundowns.
That player when it was said we are retired, I'm saying I was like, hey baby, finally, maybe not if we can acquire someone because in that pocket this is how it's hlanganisa nje ngokuthi akukhumbuli awethu ama-midfielder because I think that kwalahleka lapha sesiqala sesiya Lebogang Mothibantwa, I think salahleka lapho after Okongo sekuyoko Lebogang Mothibantwa kwaze kwafika this guy Mosele, of which I used to like him, but I think akabanga na inhlahla yokuthi agcine ibambile la midfield. So thina bese sihlanganisa lapho esiphethe uKekana engadlali ehlama long range stabilize midfield yethu vele sibone nathi ukuthi that is why this win bezidliwa ngabo 4 against the Sundowns. So Sundowns has been consistent in that position, and it's not a fluke that they managed to get ama-cups that they have won kuLokhunja league. So as the Kaizer Chiefs, since if you can remember right, I think after Bukungwane players came kwaba khona laboningo mashabafikile badlala their position, of which I think for me Yeyele Solonyane was the last one.
Yeah, kwafika bathatha uKatsande wayilimaza yonke lonto leyo.
That's where ke baphela khona. That's where baphela khona.
But I mean, there was a guy, if you still remember, was playing for Bloemfontein Celtics, if I'm not mistaken, you'll remind me. Otla de Madubanya. I'm thinking about that guy.
No. He also played for SuperSport, if I remember right. Hey, that guy. That guy
was I can't have been a lucky football. I'm fan for big teams, but he was very good. Midfield.
You're a top midfielder. Top midfielder. Yeah, how about Stanley Khatla?
Yes, I remember I think the Kalumas, if I'm mistaken, we Ria Stars. Or we Platinum Stars, not sure which
Platinum Stars, yeah. Those were top midfielders. So what I'm about, it's good that now we come maybe from the same era. You look at midfield Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs these days, and then you compare that midfield we midfield yabo SuperSport, ngikhuluma abo Letladi Matubane, ngikhuluma abo Stanley Khatla lapha ku
Platinum Stars.
So babe push if you know lokhu uStanley Kgatlha babepusha uMokgakgolo ngele ku-Platinum Stars, and then you look at uDansini noMbatha ku-Orlando Pirates, and then you see ukuthi you also look at uNgcobo no Ox, and that you can tell, my brother, ukuthi
my brother, let me be honest with you. Case Ngcobo, Kaizer Chiefs imbulela mfana. That guy will never get that. Will never get that form. Lanto ayiyo xa ifika from development. Because bayithatha Kaizer Chiefs naye bayibeka emahlombe wakhe yonke into yayingaye. There was a senior players with Chiefs, but they were not there to assist umntana. Le yenziwa kuVilakazi now. I wonder now we can coming back from that sizakeka Vilakazi again. They are doing exactly that thing now Vilakazi, and I don't like what they're doing. Yes, I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I'm a proud South African fan, football fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, understand? No, I like that guy Vilakazi, but Vilakazi umntwana needs some guidance. Still young boy, that one. Now if Chiefs Ngcobo ngamlona out hina nga happy just to go questions ngane ozifuna ba ungubani.
Yeah.
Ngibukela today Ngcobo ebe igame Chiefs ebenza slow too much, although be Chiefs uyaphambili but Ngcobo ebe pholisa kakhulu le game. If you like game ibukele now Mhlekazi.
Ngibukile even the chances he missed.
Iyambona nje manje ijonga even i-facial expression yamfana mana angichazi mina. Because ingase yena kunokwakhe abuyele back kulanto ayiyo, but it will be hard for him.
Because as you are saying, isikhathi efika, he seemed like a good player. You could see it. His passes.
He was.
Hey, that player was. We even thought ukuthi bathi befika umfukeng la mfana uyobe istar ku-PSL this time, but it didn't live up to expectation. Yeah, sometimes, and manje I believe he's 20, maybe he's 26. How old is he now?
Maybe he's about 26 now. 26. I
think maybe he move away. Sometimes I know players are scared to leave these big teams, but I think if Bengahamba manje, he might have maybe go to teams like Abo. Because you look at the coach here, Stelis, I definitely believe Coach Kevin Hunt will have maybe revive his career. Stelis, yeah. If maybe a permanent move away from the Chiefs. But wonke umuntu uyathanda associated with big brands. It's the same as working for Abo Sasol and stuff. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukuyibona lapho as umsebenzi. But sometimes it's good to move away and try to find and start afresh. But he came good. He was a good player. I remember when he came, he was a good player. And he has nalento yama players, man. Maybe nami ngizokuthathela Mhlekazi. Kunesimo esibuhlungu esenzekile. Ska Jaden Adams, ukudlula emhlabeni Jaden Adams. We can't leave our may he so rest in peace. Leave a conversation without mentioning that topic Jaden Adams, a good player. Even noma singekho eduze kwakhe, but a good human being too. You can tell if a person is good. Uyambona ukuthi he's a quiet person, but a good person. Nginalento ukuthi sometimes I don't know, man. In life, let's talk about life in general. You don't need to know people straight ukuthi maybe you can share things with them. But there is this guy of which I've been following him. He likes, maybe now you come in those places, maybe about Eastern Cape.
Yes, I'm from Eastern Cape.
Yes, Cape Town. You also lived in Cape Town. So my point with that is that in terms of football, I just wish, I don't know, man, there's this guy, I grew up watching his writings, Busokala Doma. Even now, the platforms are wenzayo. He is a good guy. That guy is a good guy, of which I believe maybe sometimes you want to talk to someone who's in the game and maybe who's not in the game, but who understands that into the game. I definitely believe I'm a player, they must find abantu abakanjalo like bona, because ulandela i-situation ka-Jaden Adams nanokuthi agcine impilo yakhe idlula ngale ndlela. I think manje abantu fanele sikwazi ukuthola abantu even noma bengeke baba amafamily wethu, but maybe abazo understand isimo sethi. I think that guy, if maybe Jaden will have contacted that guy and talked to him, I definitely believe bekuzoba khona lokho kuzwana. Yabona, they are from the same maybe environment.
Yes.
Yeah, to football. Yeah, so I don't know if you get my point.
Yeah, I do, sir.
It was painful lento kalokhu ka-Jaden.
More especially Tina's males, ne? Tina, we have a problem of not talking about how we feel at some point. My brother, let me say this: depression is for real, man. and depression is killing us. Out of 10 people, 9 of guy abasole guy ngabafana ngenxa depression because they don't talk. Abo mama, they can talk about these things, but we don't talk. And uzokuthiwa hey wena man so akumaxhosa and South isisunyaba man indoda enjani likhalayo
kanjalo
Don't cry.
indoda ayikhali khalela
kanjani because umuntu nawo nama-feelings and now that thing isense sayitrepa yalapho ukuthi ngaphandle engqondweni yakhela laa nto ba indoda ayikhali and ke mina depression is for real. I know from experience. I was once having depression after my wife passed away. I was depressed and nearly killed myself.
Sorry to hear.
Through each channel abantu abakwazileyo ukuncedisa. I overcome that and I'm happy now. I'm watching abantu bayakhula kahle ngokuba this year first one is in university now.
Congratulations, man. It's a good big step.
Yeah. We need the platforms where we can talk about these things as a mix. Now, I'm working for the government in Eastern Cape. On Wednesday, we are going to East London to launch. We call it in my department a Men in Black.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's where apho khona sizokhona uthetha ngento zonke ezihlupha abantu abangootata. Say launch on this coming week. I'm going to East London on Wednesday up until Friday.
Hey, mfowethu sibonga kakhulu mfethu ithuba and la magama washo mfowethu impela lonto iyasihlupha sonke ngoba njengoba siyamanguni sonke nje iphilosophy yethu ukukhula iyafana fanele uqine noma zikushaya induku bathi qina yabona and I'm sorry about your loss but I hope and believe ukuthi even umakoti njengoba engasekho makabheke emuva abuke ukuthi you are still standing especially for abantwana benu mfethu ayikho into engajabulisa umuntu noma ukuphi maye ezothi ebuke emuva abone ukuthi still usayibambile ingqinamba zikhona impilo iyale nale but okuhle nje mfethu lokho siyaphephisela lokho kodwa ke impilo iyaqhubeka njengoba kushiwo futhi amagama washo mfethu angawathatha kancane even nathi kufanele sibe ngoba sinalento ukuthi thina abanye abantu hayi wensizwa man insizwa ayikwenza ukuthi hayi insizwa ayikhali hayi man uyindoda man tata man kumele wenze kanje uthola ukuthi ngempela asilingani siyabantu ilokhu nje indlela esidaleke ngayo so mfowethu angufisela okuhle nawe ngithembe futhi ukuthi even next time sizokhuluma uma kwenzeka ngoba igame esiyibhekile thina la embombela mina based la embombela nangokusebenza ukuthi ngoba into ye sport into engiyithanda nami ngiqale next season so we are waiting for Mamelodi Sundowns on Tuesday to give us what they have against our home team with TS Galaxy.
Hi, good luck, guys. Was quite not. We'll come to Mbombela for win, guys. You must know that.
we shall see mfowethu asibonga kakhulu msekazi wami ube right futhi sibonga kakhulu
yabonga namhlekazi wami kwemali ngcola nawe hayi next time xa uphinda ungena ku live invite nzangu zoba khona
hayi izoba njalo futhi izoba njalo siyabonga mfowethu
dango khulumani yagama
Sharp.